To use Amazon Smile, you first need to sign up on the desktop. To do this, firstly sign into Amazon like usual, then go to smile.amazon.co.uk. You should see this introduction screen. This page explains how it works. When you're ready, click Get Started. This is where you choose your charity and you can browse by category or search for one in the search bar. Once you've settled on a charity, click Select. Check this box and click Start Shopping. You may be offered this extension. You don't need this to use Amazon Smile. You can now browse and shop like normal. Anything in your normal Amazon basket is automatically transferred to Smile. If you wish to change your charity, come to this drop-down menu and click Change. Here you can also see a summary of your impact. To see more, click here. If you click Change, you'll be brought here. You can choose a charity like before. To return home, click the smile.amazon logo in the top corner. You can now once again browse and shop like normal. Please like and subscribe.